Saida is a Filipino pop band formed in 1985. They gained recognition in the Filipino music scene in the late 1980s through to the early 2000s. They are best known for their single Forevermore. In 1993, the group's third album went triple platinum, and in the mid-1990s, Saida garnered 2 awards. Saida was founded in 1985 by the brothers Rodel and Naldi Gonzalez, Mardizan, Gabe Escalon, Bobat Baroga, and their original lead singer Ding Silverio. The band played at Holiday Inn, Rumors, Zigzag, Tavern on the Square, and also performed at the Rock Wars concert. They also performed at the Grand Hyatt Hotel Baguio back-to-back with the Power Play Band. Through their eventual manager, Wingard Tracy's support, the band gained a following and made a name in the local music circuit. Due to professional and musical differences, Ding, Gabe, and Bobat eventually left the band and were replaced by Pito Lalimarmo, Joey Benin, and Kelly Bada. The band released its eponymous debut album in 1989. The band was first managed by the Christian-oriented artist management company called Artistation Inc., owned by the late Wingard Tracy. Saida's debut album included their first hit single, Eva Marie, which kick-started their recording career. Classic Saida songs such as Windows of Our Souls and Di Pa Huli can be found on the album. The up-tempo Di Pa Huli garnered further attention. Instead of being written as Side B, the B-side of their albums were written as Saida 2. Shortly after the success of their debut album, Rodel Gonzalez left for the band's second wind. Pito Lalimarmo and Mardizan left in 1990 to form Artstart. Lalimarmo and Dizan remained with Artstart until 1994, when Lalimarmo united with Eva Marie Poon, sister of Richard Poon, to form Take One, and Dizan joining Parliament Syndicate. In 2005, Kelly Badon left the band to form the Kelly Badon Project with former members of Freeverse. Badon was replaced by former Take One guitarist Levin K. Lau, making him the youngest member of the band. His debut with the band features him singing Fra Lippo Lippies later on their 2005 gig. All Hits Live at Bagabird album. Joey Benin left Saida in 2008. He currently tends a fish farm and a developing natural organic farmland in Sile, Negros Occidental with his wife and kids. He was replaced by Ned Esguerra, former Freeverse member. Joey Generoso left Saida in 2015 to pursue a solo career under the name Joey G. In September 2020, the original lineup, the Gonzalez brothers, Joey Benin, Kelly Badon, Mardizan, and Pito Lalimarmo, released a re-recording of Di Pa Huli via Patreon. The single is part of the original lineup's reunion project, Saida Redux. first album consisting of new versions of songs from their eponymous 1989 debut album, as well as new material. For more interesting personalities, please do watch our other Who's Who series. Please like, share, and subscribe. Welcome to the amazing world of 1000 Vlogs.